Hey everyone, it's Dr. Bird with Chiro Movement Muscle and Joint Clinic. In this video, we are demonstrating a cat-cow with a band around our low back to help assist or help focus on the flexion and extension of the low back, especially right above the sacrum at the L3, L4, L5 region. So try this out. This is meant for a patient that is getting stronger in the low back but still has a little bit of discomfort. We use this to help strengthen up and help stabilize that low back area. I hope you like the video and let me know what you think.